Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and I want to get you excited today about Standard Process's detox programs. Do toxins have your patients feeling tired, lethargic, overweight, and stuck in their health goals? Standard Process's whole food detox programs make it easy, safe, and very effective to eliminate these toxins and get your patients back on their feet again. Toxins can contribute to fatigue, skin problems, focus issues, weight gains, joint problems, and these problems may be related to toxins in their bodies. SP Detox programs work in 3 simple phases. Phase 1 is to actually unlock that toxin from the body. Phase 2 is to neutralize that toxin. And Phase 3 is to eliminate that toxin with safe food-based fibers. We have seen many transformations with Standard Process's detox programs, from people with chronic pain and the pain being eliminated in as short as 21 days. We've seen people unlock weight gain, and so many people just get their vitality back and their energy back again. These programs should be a part of your practice. We're looking forward to Standard Process's Christmas party on December 6th, where we're going to show you how to successfully integrate SP detox programs into your patient protocols and how to run a successful detoxification talk in your office so that you can show your patients how to detox and take your practice to the next level.